Hello folks, and welcome to my little corner of the 3D printing universe. This is beaming direct from the corner of my dining room table over here in the UK. I'm new to this 3D printing malarkey. It's my first video. It's a brand new machine. The first print is underway and something is printing. Happy days. Does it turn out or not? Subscribe to find out. It would get me started either way. I look forward to your comments, the good, the bad, the ugly, or whatever in between, whatever I can learn from. Take care folks, print something and stay positive. Bye for now.